Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a bunch of the major ETFs here, starting with IWM, working our way to the NASDAQ Composite, Dow Jones, as well as the S&P 500. And I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis, as well as some profitable trade ideas here on the market itself. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership that you get at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you. All right, so let's take a look at the market here, starting with the IWM Russell 2000. And you can see we got a rejection at the top of this channel here, again right here, as well as this resistance right there, which is where we liked IWM for a short, and we posted it on this public channel as well. Now we're back in this channel here. You can see we tried to dip over it right here, broke back into it, and you can see broke this little mini support right here. So definitely looking bleak here for IWM, and I do think that if we do get some kind of a gap up here on IWM, that it'll most likely lead to some lower prices in the near term. So that's what I'm seeing on IWM. We've got support down here, pretty big support around 133.70 all the way down to about 133. You can see this is where we bounced from right here, there, right here, there, here, and back here is where it was resistance right there, and it turned into support. That is a pretty big level of support for IWM. So we'll see how it handles itself, but right here, you got to assume that we are going to at least test it right there. At least test it just because of this rejection that we've been getting here. And we didn't have any kind of a bottoming candle just yet. So you can see right here we had a little hammer here and a nice green confirmation candle the next day, and then another nice bounce candles right here. So far we haven't gotten that just yet. So I think it's definitely looking like the higher probability situation is going to be some lower lows here for IWM. Next, we're going to take a look at the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ right here, another test and rejection at this resistance level that we've been pointing out to you for a while now. So we've got that test here, rejection there, here, right there, and we had a bearish engulfing candle right here on the NASDAQ. So more than likely, it's looking like the NASDAQ is going to make another new low. So if we get some kind of a gap up here tomorrow, more than likely that's going to get faded and we're going to head lower on the NASDAQ. We have some mini support down here at about 58.43, and then the bigger support is below us at around 57.94. You can see we bounced here, right there, and then several times here in the recent past. Next, we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones. And the Dow Jones, you can see, like we mentioned before, that we were going to test this 2840. We did say that that was going to happen. That happened, but we did mention that that was a big time level of resistance, and you can see that we tested it and then got rejected below that. But what we didn't do is break below this support. Okay, so we haven't broken below this support just yet. That's at about 2632 on the Dow Jones. You can see we broke back above this support, tested it several times, pretty much every day for the last week and a half or so that we've tested this support from above. So definitely a key level here on the Dow Jones that you want to be focusing on for the near term. Next, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500, you can see a rejection at these highs and against this downtrend line right there, but we closed pretty much right at this support, very similar to what the Dow Jones did right there. So not exactly a great looking candle, but still, if you look at it, we did make a higher high and a higher low. Obviously not the friendliest looking higher high and higher low, but still a higher high and a higher low nonetheless. Obviously we did close a bearish engulfing right here, so it's not looking great, but let's keep our wits about us and just see that really we did make a higher high and a higher low, and it hasn't really broken the support just yet. So definitely an area to be on guard for a potential break, but in my opinion we're still okay on the bullish side. So tomorrow that could totally change, and be ready for it for sure, as I will be, as well as the rest of the members at the tradinganalyst.com. But we got to stay calm and see these levels here that haven't quite broken. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep updating you as the chart progresses. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at the tradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get at the tradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, not only are you going to get access to those profitable trade alerts that I mentioned before, but you're also going to get access to the private Twitter feed, the daily watch list, the real-time trade alerts, which are sent directly to your cell phone, so you're never going to miss an alert or a beat in the market. You're also going to gain access to the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you.